guys, what's up? Zach here. We are out ice fishing. Can I catch a fish? Who the hell knows? Probably not, you know. Because I'm the greatest fisherman in the existence of fishing. And I'd like to thank my sponsors. My mom, she's very proud of me. And sometimes she watches my YouTube videos, but not all the time. I got a jigging rod here. I got a jigging spoon on there. Very fancy Canadian Tire special. And then right next to me I just got a simple jig and a minnow, dead stick, leaving it there, about a foot off bottom, and then I'm jigging my jigging spoon. Oh, what was that? There's a fish down there, guys. Fish down there. Squirrel! Maybe I'm just seeing things. Maybe I'm seeing what I want to see. Anyways, as I was saying, the setup that I got today, I got 3 holes drilled. 1 for my flasher, and 2 for my rods. 1 for the dead stick, 1 for the jigging spoon. You know, just classic stuff. Clayton Sheck got the idea from him, so thank you, buddy. I hope I catch a fish. Let's catch us a walleye. Let's break this skunk streak. Hopefully they're hitting hard. Hitting heavy and hard. Yeah. Going. Got one. It's a tank, guys. It's a freaking tank. Oh my goodness. I finally broke the skunk. I freaking broke the skunk. Woohoo! Look at that, guys! I broke the friggin' skunk. It's not a tank by any means, but I'll take it. I will friggin' take that because I needed this. Oh my god, thank you so much, buddy. Oh. Send you back home. Woo! Holy crap. There's a fish down there. There's a few, actually. Few fish. Come on in, eat my bait, eat my bait. Come on, come on. Because I'm the greatest fisherman ever. I caught a fish, now I'm the greatest. I'm the best there's ever been, there ever was. I'm just the best. Thanks, Mom, for your support. And thanks, Austin. I forgot to thank you because this is your tent because I'm really bad at breaking them. Thanks, buddy. Thank my mom, my buddy Austin. Austin again for the rod. Oh, what was that? Did I just get a hit? Well, I was being an idiot. Probably. Oh, he's chasing it. He's chasing it. He's chasing it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. You know you want it. You know you want it. Come on. Come on. No. Oh, but for real, thanks, Austin, for your tent. I know we went ice fishing, you left it at my house, and then I kind of never returned it. So, it's a nice tent, though. I'll take care of it. I'll make sure it doesn't blow away in the wind. It's all tied off and everything. I won't break it, I promise. I'm going to check this one for bait. Oh, yeah, there's still bait in there. Because I had lost my minnow head on my jigging spoon, and then I baited it up. Then I dropped it down, and then I caught that walleye because I'm the best fisherman in the world. Just be modest. That's what I am. There's a fish down there. Come on. Maybe a fresh head. Got a fish coming up for this. I was just jigging it. Are you gonna hit it? Bring it up a few feet. Drop it down. Throw it in there. Oh, fish is right on that. Right. Oh, got him. Got him. Missed him. Let's get this one down. Keep them interested. Oh, I have one right on the dead stick. Again. Oh, he's on there. Got him. Got him. Freaking lost him. I lost him. Gotta get down there. Gotta get back down there. Budruckers. Hey guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, I'm the greatest fisherman. I caught one fish. I broke my 3-month streak of not catching a fish. And now it's official, my truck is good luck. So, not good luck, but I caught a fish. I caught a fish, guys. Yeah, subscribe. Love you guys. Just gonna wrap this video out. It's not gonna be very long, but there's gonna be more videos like this with the whole flasher dishy, whatever. The fancy doodle thing. Hell yeah. I know what I'm talking about. See you guys soon. I got a fish. There's a fish on there. What? Is it gone? What? It's not gone. It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. Got it. Whew. I just did my outro, but I caught 2 fish now. Well, I can't say I caught 2, but nice. Another. That's a nicer walleye than the first one. Look at his fin, just destroyed. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Let's get this video on release. This release on video.